Hey hip chicks, if you have a leaky faucet, do not reach for your wallet until you hear this. I've got a hack that could save you hundreds of dollars and get you a new faucet. So make sure that you like and subscribe, click the notification bell so you get all of the updates on real, practical, doable DIY. And here's how you can get a new faucet for your kitchen or bath. So last week, one of my clients called and asked me to take a look at her kitchen faucet. So I went in and I immediately noticed there were 3 different locations on her faucet that were leaking. And sadly, she had ignored it for too long, and the water that was spilling behind the sink basin had started to break down the caulk and grout that she had at the back of her backsplash, and water had gotten underneath. So she had leaking underneath the cabinet. She had some mold on the cabinet wall and this leaking faucet. So she was immediately like, oh, I guess I got to go buy a new faucet. And I said, oh, no. I said, you have a good brand. You have a high quality brand faucet here. And it usually comes with a lifetime warranty. So we went right online. We looked up the brand. We looked at some of the pictures. We matched up the model. So we knew the model name. She dug out the documents from her renovation from 12 years ago. And we were able to see the year that she bought it as part of the renovation. She reached out to the company and they sent her a brand new faucet. This basically the same model. It was a slightly different shape, but they sent her a new faucet valued at $450. So I was able to very quickly swap out the old faucet, put in the new. We had one little issue, and that was that the supply hoses that came on the new faucet were 2 inches too short. So we did have to go and buy some extension flex hoses so we could make it reach, but it was in and out under the sink, and she paid me for the install time, but she didn't need to buy a new faucet. So here is what you need to do. If you either buy a new fixture yourself, or if you are hiring a pro to install this, don't let them leave without you grabbing the box. So what I want you to do is cut off the side of the box that has a picture of the faucet, the model name, the model number. In the little baggie you're going to create, you're going to put your receipt, any additional parts. This was from my bathroom faucet. If I wanted to use a little plate across it. So extra parts, instructions, the box information, and the receipt. But I want you to do one more thing with that receipt. I want you to put Scotch tape over the receipt, especially where it says the price and the purchase date, because sometimes those home center receipts will fade and you want to make sure that you can meet it. Packing tape works great too on a long strip, but this is a way for you to cash in on the lifetime warranty that you are paying for because you are buying a higher priced item. So I hope that helps you, and I hope it helps you save some money so you could spend that $450 on something else, like, I don't know, maybe a weekend getaway.